Welcome back, traders, to this channel. And in this video we are just going to be diving deep into a trading tool that can significantly improve your market timing and trading decisions. And the indicator we're going to be looking at is the Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator. All right, so whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, this oscillator can be a game changer for your trading strategy. So what exactly is the Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator? The oscillator that you can see right here on my chart. I already added it to the chart. This indicator is quite a unique indicator, and we're just going to be discussing how you can use it effectively in your day-to-day trading strategy. Stick around because we're going to break down its features, how it works, and how to set it up for success. Before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies, okay? Let us get into it. Let us start by understanding what this indicator actually is. The Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator is a variation of the traditional stochastic oscillator developed by the legendary trader John Ehlers. Now, unlike the standard stochastic oscillator that simply measures the momentum of price movements, the Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator incorporates cycle analysis into its calculations. Why does this matter? Well, cycle analysis helps identify recurring patterns in price, right? Right? It helps identify recurring patterns in price movement, allowing traders to anticipate price action with greater accuracy. So, by using this oscillator, you are not just looking at overbought or oversold conditions, you are also factoring in the natural cycles of the market. Okay, this makes the oscillator particularly effective for trend following strategies and market timing. Now, the oscillator works by calculating the difference between the smoothed price and a baseline, okay, which gives you a clear visual representation of market momentum. It also allows you to spot the peaks and the troughs more easily, helping you identify key reversal points. Okay, now that we know what the oscillator does, let us talk about how to set it up on your chart. Okay, first of all, you'll need to open your trading platform and go to the chart where you want to apply the indicator. Obviously, in this case, we are assuming you are using a platform like TradingView or MetaTrader 4, for example. Both of them have customizable indicators. The second step is in the indicator search bar for the TradingView, you can just search for Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator. Now, if you're using the MetaTrader platform, you can see you can just select this. Using the MetaTrader platform, you can just download it as a custom indicator and you add it to your indicators library. After which you will have to restart your trading terminal and then add the indicator to your chart. All right. Now, once you've added the indicator to your chart, you'll notice these lines, right? You'll notice the in the indicator bar, you're going to notice the main line. That you're going to notice two main lines actually, the CG oscillator and the signal line. So the oscillator line is typically shown as let us just go to the settings. You're going to see. So we have all right. So you can see the trigger. You can see the triggers, the green line, and we have the stock CGO oscillator, which is the red line. So basically, you should also be watching out for crossovers. All right. Once the red crosses above the green, essentially you have a signal. If it's a bullish crossover, you have a buy signal. Within the oversold territory. But if you have the red cross below the green in the overbought territory, then you have a sell signal. But mind you, if you get a bearish crossover in a bullish trend, for example, it could be a mere pullback. So I'm just going to recommend using this indicator in trending markets because if you are trying to enter a sell trade in bullish trend, then you might, just be trading a pullback, and a pullback could end at any time, right? So let us just see another example. You can see this was a buy trend, right? We have a buy trend here, and you can see we had a buy signal around here. This would have been a good place to enter buy. You can see here again we had a buy signal, here again we had a buy signal. So basically these buy signals were good signals because this was a bullish trend. But if you were trying to enter a sell at the sell signal, this was just a mere pullback, and you can see that the pullback did not last for long. You can see this one again was just a mere pullback. This was just a mere pullback. So I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, meanwhile you can adjust the settings according to your preferences. If you want to change the inputs, maybe the source, whether you want to use open, high, low, close, or HL2, HLC3, or HLC4, HLCC4, you can, according to your trading style and preferences. Okay, if not, you can just use the default settings. Now that your oscillator is set up, let's talk about you know reading the indicator. Now the oscillator will move above and below. You can see a central zero line. The key signals is to look out for when the oscillator crosses above or below the zero line, alongside the crossovers within the oversold territory and the overbought territory. Okay, now, if you combine this oscillator with other indicators such as moving averages or RSI, you can further filter out false signals and improve your trade entries. One of the best ways to use the Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator is in combination with other technical analysis tools. For example, pairing the oscillator with moving averages can give you a clearer understanding of the trend direction. If the oscillator is showing a bullish signal, for example, and maybe the price above 50 period moving average, this can add more confirmation to your buy decision, right? Likewise, if the oscillator shows a bearish signal and maybe the price is below the 50 period moving average, you might want to consider a sell or short position. You can also combine the oscillator with momentum indicators like the RSI, to make sure the market is not overbought, oversold. So by using multiple indicators in conjunction, you can reduce risk and increase the probability for successful trades. Okay, so there you have it. The Ehlers Stochastic CG Oscillator is an incredibly powerful tool that can help improve your trading strategy by incorporating both momentum and cycle analysis. By understanding how it works, how to set it up, and how to interpret its signals, you can start making smarter trading decisions and improve your overall accuracy in the markets. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies on improving your trading game. Drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences with this indicator. Thank you for watching and happy trading.